Efforts by officials of the Meghalaya Fire and Emergency Services are still underway to clear the debris from the building at Thana Road in Shillong's Police Bazaar that was burnt down after a fire broke out on Saturday. The inferno also claimed the life of one and ravaged the entire building that has been providing a roof to the Singhania family for decades. Amit Singhania, owner of the building, speaking to the media, said that the fire caused more of emotional damage since his family has been living here for 3 generations.
How did it broke to even we can't say. Because even I had gone out, all of a sudden my father called up. Come immediately, there's a big fire. Then when I asked him, he said he was just sitting in his office. He just turned around and he saw all of a sudden he saw a huge blaze of fire. Everything was smoky and the fire was also such, it was of high magnitude. He could not do anything, realize anything. Just the first thing what he could think of was to take the staff and everyone out. And somehow he just came out. That's it, and nothing else. After that,
and we also know that one precious life was lost during this incident. Can you tell us something how he was stuck inside?
Very unfortunate. One of the staffs, he got stuck inside. He could not come out though. And mostly what happened was, I think he passed away due to the smoke because there was nothing, no burn, nothing, anything. We broke the wall from backside and we took him out also because the fire was such we could not go from either of the 2 entrances. So that's how it was. It was very sad. The most unfortunate part because properties can be done and whatever. Human life is very precious and should not happen.
There are some suspicion that there is a foul play on this building.
So,
what do you have to say on that?
to all my well-wishers and pleasers who in such a time of distress have the thing to think that because we cannot help that mentality. They can come and check my account. I have no insurance. I have zero insurance. Zero means zero insurance. So I would not do that.
According to this situation, like what we have seen according to the structure of the building.
Sorry?
I mean the structure of the building is not really strong. It seems that you have to demolish this building. So what are your plans?
So we have already said the front portion, this one, this is an old structure and this is not safe for us also. We have said the front portion will demolish. We'll demolish ourselves also after due investigation is going on. Because even that is a technical process, so it has to be done and we'll demolish the front portion.
How much will be the loss, maybe, estimated?
It's more of emotional loss. Valuables, I don't care. The main thing is the memories and the nostalgia which has gone with me, which will never be with me back. That is the main thing I care about, and I don't care about anything else.
What was inside the building when that day happened?
Sorry?
What was inside the building?
What was inside the building? So it's below is the shop and above is the residence. So you can imagine what can be inside the residence.
I mean, there are
We have been staying here for long since birth. My grandfather has been staying here. So everything is here only, our valuables, everything.
Some say that it's the fire started because of electric, or some
People
say
can
because
say
of,
there's nothing. I cannot stop people's mouth. Everyone can, who are not inside, they can just. It's an enjoyment for them. I'm sorry to say, but for most of the people, it's just an enjoyment or it's an gossip. I would request through you all respected people. I'll request the thing. It's only a person who faces it knows what is. So please. Don't do this what you all are doing, making pictures, everyone is just coming for the sake of it. They are making videos, uploading in the Instagram. What joy are you getting, please? Please don't do that. You are playing with the emotions of people. Through your respected media and everything, I would just like to request the people. Today I have suffered. I just pray to God no one else faces this. But suppose, unfortunately, if something happens, please don't play with the emotions.
From which portion of the building that the fire started on that? Do you know?
No, sir. Cannot say.
We've seen that these firefighters, they were still busy pouring water in different parts of to clear those debris. So it was over, say, at 1 day.
Sorry, I didn't.
They were still clearing.
The fire was controlled yesterday, but now just to make sure that because there are lots of papers and lots of cloths inside, just to make sure it reignites. That was the only thing. The only thing, the firefighting and all, they have done an excellent job. This state machinery, I would really like to thank everybody. Without that thing, it could have been a disaster. The only thing, again, would request people to give way to fire brigade. Please give way to fire brigade. Because of the congestion and congestion in PB, the people were not moving. They had to be forced to be moved. The fire brigade was delayed by more than half an hour. Just because of that. It's not because of their efficiency. Because of that. So please don't play with the life of people.
How many vehicles of fire brigade were
So it
actually
was
coming?
numerous. We thank it was continuous. Right since that day till yesterday, today you can see it wasn't continuous. There was not stopping it. If it would not have been such a magnitude fire, would not have been controlled, and the devastation could have been much more.
How old is this building, sir?
I told you my grandfather had all stayed in it. I am 50 years, so you can imagine. I have been staying here for the past 50 years. So it's much more than that. It should be 80 years or something.
Earlier, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited the family members and expressed his sympathy to the residents. He also said that the Meghalaya cabinet will hold a detailed discussion regarding the incident.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.